Hello, and welcome to Wing Tips. Today we're going to be discussing the pause and resume in-flight safety feature. For safe drone operations, two of the most important reasons why it's necessary to maintain visual line of sight of the aircraft is to identify potential obstructions that are both ground or aerial based. Generally, ground-based obstructions should be identified and accounted for before the flight occurs. In-flight aerial obstructions tend to be less predictable and may require pilot intervention with the aircraft. Such potential hazards include crewed aircraft, but also birds of prey or flocks of birds that enter into your operational airspace. Remember, it is the sole responsibility of the drone operator to avoid any airspace incursions. So, how does the WingtraOne GEN II help us do this? During the mission, while the aircraft is in flight mode, the mission can be paused from within Wingtra Pilot.
Pausing and loitering.
With the mission paused, the WingtraOne will go into a loiter circle. The operator may decide to make the drone ascend or descend in 10-meter increments, which is about 33 feet. It is important to note that while the drone is in its loiter circle, it is not capturing images with its sensor. The operator may also choose to select the return to home function while the mission is paused.
Returning home on a safe path.
Once the airspace is clear, the operator may resume the mission.
Resuming in auto flight mode. Flying towards resume point.
When the mission is resumed, the drone will return to its previous operational height. It will return to its resume point and continue mapping from where it left off. Or, if a manual return to home was triggered by the operator, this command can be canceled too, which will also allow for the aircraft to resume the mapping mission. If you're a current WingtraOne user and would like to learn about this in-flight safety feature or others, be sure to check out the WingtraOne GEN II Basic Operator course within your customer portal. That's all for now. I'll see you next time for more wing tips.